Tell you how to explain code to Claude AI and get improvements. If you're using Claude AI and now you want to explain your code to Claude AI and get improvements in this, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and once you are in your browser, just simply go to Claude AI and make sure that you are logged in or signed into your account. Now, once you are here in the chat section, you just have to enter a simple prompt and then you have to enter or provide your code. So you have to apply to add a simple line like if you're trying to say that improve this code, so it might not much better. So you just have to simply describe your code, that what will your code do. So if there will be any errors, it might be fixed by your Claude AI. So let's say, how can you do that? I have simple and smart prompt for this. So here I'm going to paste it. You can see I have written explain what this Python code does step by step. So once I've entered this line, Claude AI will explain that what will your code done. You have to make sure that you have entered the code name or code type. It might be a Python code, a C language code, or any other language. So then identify any bug or edge cases, suggest improvements for readability, performance, and maintainability. So these are your requirements. Then rewrite the code using Python best practices. So it might be much better if you provide or if you give a role of Python expert or your Claude AI and then enter this prompt, so it might be the best. And then you have to enter a type hints and toxic and appropriate error handling. Finally explain why each improvement was made. So once you have entered this line, Claude AI will tell you that improvements he made, why he do this. So once you've entered this, you just have to add your code. If you have a PDF or document file, so you can also add it from your PC or you can directly paste your code here. So let's say I'm going to pasting my code here. I recommend you have to skip a line and then paste it at a new line as I have done. Now just click on this submit option and you just have to wait for some moments. So it will tell you step-by-step explanations, bugs and errors, and the improvements he made and why he did this. So in this way, you can easily improve your code or your script by using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.